Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you do not already subscribe, please do so. I have a goal set to make it to 1,000 subscribers, and I am at like high 800s. So if you don't mind, go ahead and subscribe to my videos and also hit the bell so that you can see any new content that I upload. All right, so I wanted to come on really quick and show some of the stuff that I bought, and I am holding the phone by hand, so bear with me. My tripod was not in its proper location. So I'm going to go ahead with holding it anyway. So here is my turmeric. I ordered this via Etsy, a seller via Etsy, and it came in and it still looks good. It's firm. Nothing is dried out, so I can't wait to get this in the ground. And as you can see, it has the little starter bumps on it. I don't know even how I would refer to them, but I'm gonna call them the starter bumps. And so I'm gonna plant these rhizomes. I also got turmeric today. So I went down to my local Piggly Wiggly store. We got a Piggly Wiggly store about 2 years ago here. And you know, when you want to get certain stuff, you want to have your things with the seed, such as your watermelon, which I'll insert a video to show you. So if you have a Piggly Wiggly in your city, they have seeded watermelon. Everybody else is doing away with seeded watermelon. So Piggly Wiggly, the stock of watermelon that they had. So I also looked for the same little spots that is going to grow additional ginger root. I love ginger root. That is one of the things that I buy every time I go to the grocery stores. I typically don't buy it from Piggly Wiggly, but I am so glad I did today because there's a whole lot of potential to get a lot of ginger root from this particular plant. And so one of the other things that I did was a few days ago, my husband pulled off some peppers from our garden area, and I have seeds in these, so I will be taking those seeds and I'm gonna replant some of them, and I'm going to store the rest. And as you can see, I have bought a little seed. This is roughly 70 packets here, and I just kind of organized them. I wanted to get a variety of things so that just we can have some extra things on hand. And like I said, this is roughly 70 packets, and I was able to get all of these, every single one, even the ones that were 2 for $1. I was able to get them all for $1. And so I was really happy that the guy was grumpy and, you know, didn't want to be there and doing his job today. He, you know, I don't know. I like good customer service, so, you know, it irritated me to my soul, but, you know, I took the discount regardless. So one of the things also that I ordered was the black cumin seed. And so I am going to plant these, and I am going to make the black seed oil out of these. One of the things that I do in my business is infusing oils, making salves, making natural soaps, natural body products. And so I'm very familiar with this black seed oil, and it's something that a lot of people have been taking for weight loss, for detoxing the body. So I was super excited to see that I could get these seeds at such a reasonable price. And so I ordered those off of Etsy as well. And one of the other things I ordered from Etsy is the soursop seeds. Now, I love soursop. I actually drink it as a tea. I have not had the fruit, but I have the leaves, the soursop leaves, which I put in one of my tea blends, and I have it once or twice per day. And so I am super, super excited to have soursop seeds at my disposal so that I can start growing those as well. So that's about it for this video. I just wanted to kind of show my little haul for today. 68, I believe, was the total for today that I was able to get. The ones that I actually found for $4, he rang up 66 packets, and that came to like $16 and some change. So I am going to be looking at other Dollar General stores. I used to do this a lot back in the days when I would grow, but I got away from it. And so now I am really back on stocking up on my seeds, you know, especially since we are in this crazy time that is happening right now. But the reality is it is happening, and we have to be growing. We have to be on top of making sure that our family can eat, you know. And I'll also start doing, once I find me a canner and get some practice in, I will start doing canning videos as well, to have some of the stuff, some food stored up so that we will be able to make sure that the family is properly cared for in terms of food. All right. So please go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you have not already. And I will see you guys on the next video.